going to have showers and storms on the radar, but this is a totally different setup compared to last night.
Okay.
So last night was always the bigger severe weather day.
Right.
Definitely delivered with the wind, the rain, the flooding, the power outages. Tonight, we do have another round. It'll be coming in from the southwest, and I do think we could have a few severe thunderstorm warnings, but I don't think we're going to end up with this. This is what happened after the National Weather Service went out and surveyed the damage around the area, both Kentucky and southern Indiana today. And this is what they found. So in Hart County, Ohio County is just outside of our WHAS viewing area, and EF0 and EF1 tornadoes. We did have an EF1 tornado up in Jackson County, Indiana, in addition to just south of the track, 100-mile-per-hour straight-line winds in Jackson County. They also surveyed Oldham County, where we did have the tornado warning, 90-mile-per-hour straight-line winds there, and 80-mile-per-hour straight-line winds in Greene County. And just know that 80 to 100-mile-per-hour straight-line winds do just as much damage as an EF0 or EF1 tornado. They just don't spin. They're straight-line winds. But we are expecting, of course, more showers and storms this evening into the overnight hours. We could have some lingering rain tomorrow morning before we trend a bit quieter for the rest of the week. But we have a weather impact alert just in case for this evening, especially along and south of the parkways. Gusty winds, heavy rain, maybe some isolated hail as well. So make sure, as always, this time of year, you have ways to receive warnings if needed. Satellite and radar right now, clouds just continuing to increase here in Kentuckiana. You'll notice storms are starting to move into western Kentucky. Those are not severe right now, but you're seeing some severe storms down in Tennessee, also down to Mississippi. Better chance for severe weather over in Oklahoma, down to Texas, and some rain moving out of Missouri and Illinois. Temperatures right now, 76 currently in Louisville, 79 in Bowling Green, 75 in Lexington. And since we have a boundary that's stalled out, we do have the humidity. You probably have felt that today. Even though temperatures aren't that warm, we have dew points in the 60s, so providing some of that storm fuel for any kind of activity later on this evening. And our hour-by-hour futurecast, once again, we are trending mostly dry through about 7 o'clock. Closer to 8 or 9, we'll start to see some scattered storms roll in for areas especially along and south of the parkways. I do think we could have some hail and wind before these storms continue to weaken as they push off to the northeast. Likely during the 11 p.m. newscast and thereon after, we start to see that weakening trend with just some lingering showers overnight, waves of rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder into early tomorrow morning. We start to cool off tomorrow and gradually dry out with a northwest breeze ushering in some cooler air. Can't rule out a spotty shower or a few sprinkles into the evening hours. That does include for the Great Steamboat Race. For the most part, it's looking partly cloudy tomorrow for that. Breezy there on the river. Northwest winds around 14, 15 miles per hour, and temperatures will be in the mid-60s at 6 p.m. tomorrow night. Now, the rest of our 7-day forecast, Thurby is looking great, just a little cool. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the mid-60s. Each morning after tomorrow morning, we'll be starting off in the 40s. So expect some cooler mornings, a passing shower possible, maybe midday on Oaks Day. Anything we see looks light, but expect more clouds for Oaks. Decreasing clouds, cool temperatures for Derby Day, 60 degrees, and then we start to warm things back up Sunday into next week with, of course, more rounds of rain by Monday and Tuesday.